Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my Claro Advanced Gray Semi-Permanent Hair Color. I started getting gray hairs when I was 25, and at the time of this video, I'm 31. I normally get these gray hairs at my hairline, and this semi-permanent hair color is the only one I've found that I can do at home that is a one-step process or able to conquer my stubborn grays that I have, and that delivers professional results. Claro has a long-standing reputation for creating hair products that deliver reliable, vibrant, and professional results, and that's what I feel like I get when I use this. This hair dye usually lasts me about a month because it is semi-permanent. It will gradually fade. And that means that I avoid having these abrupt root lines, and it makes my regrowth less noticeable. So that's why I love using Clairol. I should also say that I usually use gloves and wear a black t-shirt when I do this, so you may want to do that. But I think that this is the perfect solution for anyone who's seeking gray coverage without the commitment of permanent hair dye. And that's my point of view.